going on, gardeners? Out here looking at the carrots, and they took a big hit because of the frost that we've been experiencing. I guess a few days ago these things were sitting up like this, sitting tall, but now look at them, they flopped over. It's been very, very cold here. Today, however, it jumped up to 54 degrees, which is, I take that over 30s and 20s any day. But I'm out here looking at the carrots, about to see what I can harvest. In the past, I've tried growing carrots, and I get little bitty skinny things, like that skinny, maybe that long. And what was happening was sometimes they'd be woody because I guess I kept them in too long. So I haven't had much success in growing carrots. My goal, of course, is to grab these carrots. If I'm successful, I'm going to duplicate what I did, because my main mission is to replace picking up carrots from the grocery store. What we use carrots for in the house, we actually increase what we use carrots for. I wasn't a big carrot eater, but now carrots go in a lot of my meals. I juice carrots, and I also put them in my smoothies. So if this works, I'm not going to the grocery store to get carrots ever again. I'm gonna scratch that off my list. I like scratching things off my list. And in order to be very, very successful in growing carrots, from what I've seen, what I've read, very, very loose soil. You don't want any obstructions like rocks and logs getting in the way of your carrots developing. I think also too, to increase, you have to do succession gardening, which means you plant some this week, 2 weeks later you plant another batch, then another batch, and so on, to increase your possibilities for having a bigger harvest. So if this process worked, I'm gonna continue it. I'm gonna duplicate it, so to say. This is the best looking bunch of carrots I've seen as far as the tops. What they look like underneath, I have no idea, but my fingers are crossed. I see one right here. I don't know if you can see it, but I usually feel around. We're gonna take this one just to see. I don't think these are gonna get any bigger, but you know what? I'm gonna take it. Oh, that's much better. That's the best looking carrot I've ever grown. That's a little teeny one. I'm gonna let that one stay longer. You know what? These are teeny, but I'm happy. That makes me happy, because that means I'm on the right track. Now I planted these back in, but they actually went in the ground late. They've been in the ground since about August. And I just spread the seeds around. Next time I'm going to leave them a little longer, but I like what I'm seeing. That means I'm on the right track. What I'm doing also, I'm just feeling around the circumference of some of the carrots, and if the circumference feels good, I'll pull it up. Wow, best carrot. Wow, they smell good. Should have left this little puny one. Okay, I know what I need to do for the next one.